TrendNet's 4-port USB KVM switch kit, model TK407K, controls up to 4 computers with one set of console controls. Installation is easy with all the required cabling included. Simply connect your USB mouse and keyboard and your monitor with a VGA port. Then connect the computers with the included cabling, and you're done. This KVM switch supports HD resolutions of up to 2048 by 1536 pixels. Alternate between computers using the convenient toggle switch on the device's front face or use predefined hotkey commands on a Windows computer. Manage up to 4 computers with TrendNet's easy-to-install TK407K.